Hurricane Hunter's airplane gives an up-close view of a terrifying storm. The reconnaissance plane, a Lockheed WP-3D Orion nicknamed Kermit the Frog, powers through Hurricane Dorian. It's operated by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Kermit is staffed with researchers and crew with nerves of steel who hope to learn more about the devastating storm. Hurricane Dorian tore a destructive path through the Bahamas. It left downed trees, wrecked homes, and crushed cars in its wake. The Category 5 hurricane had winds of 185 miles per hour, with gusts approaching 220 miles per hour. Dorian is among the most powerful storms ever recorded in the Atlantic. Residents in the southeastern U.S. are bracing for Dorian, and weather experts caution that even if the core of the storm doesn't make landfall, it can still pack a powerful punch. This is InsideEdition.com.